Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can put a video within text in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. So if I open Premiere Pro up, as you can see I already have my project created with my video on the timeline. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put the text that you want the video to be within onto the video track that is above your video. So if we just select the tool for the text, and we click inside the window and we type our text that we want, and then if we just select all of the text and we come over to the effects control, and then I'm going to change the font to a thicker, bolder one. So I will probably change it to something like Impact. So there we go, Impact. And then I will just scale the text up in size. So that is about the size that I want the text to be, and it is now centered in the video. So now we're just going to drag the length of the text so that it matches the length of the video. And now the next thing we want to do is when we want to come to the Effects tab, and then in the Effects tab we want to type Track Matte. Then we want to drag the Track Matte key onto the video. Now it's important that you drag it onto the video and not the text. So once you've dragged it onto the video, you then want to select the video and then come to Effects Controls. Now in the Effects Controls, you then want to come down to the Track Matte key section, and then you want to click the Matte drop down box here. Then you want to select the video track that your text is on. So for me that is video 2. If you're not sure what video track your text is on, just look which one your text is on, and then look what V number it is. So that says V2, so that is video track 2. So that is why I've selected video 2 for the track matte in the settings, in the effects controls. So now we've done that, the video is now within the text. Now just to liven things up a little, I will make it so that the video zooms out to the text. So to do that, if we just select the text, and then we come back into effects controls, and we come to scale, if we just drag the scale and increase it until the video is fully visible, so like so, and then we put in a keyframe like so, and then I drag along the timeline a little, and then I reset the parameters back so that the scale is back to 100%. It will now add a keyframe like so. So now if we play the video, it will now zoom out to the text like so. Now the animation is a little abrupt at the end, so to fix that, if we just find the keyframe where it goes back to 100%, so that is this one here, and we right click on it, and then we click ease in, the animation will be a little gentler now. So if we now click play, it zooms in a little gentler. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like the video, don't forget the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.